All right, everybody, we're going to prime for our text cutting and matching things up and getting good edge flow. Let's talk about this. All right, I got the shape here, and I'm going to just show you basically what we want to do is hold edges so that when we smooth them, it'll look beveled and nice. And we need to learn how to do that. So remember, everything is 3 points to a curve. So if I want to hold like an outer corner edge, we can have it terminate. So we can do something like this. And boom, there we go. So where's our curve? 1, 2, 3. We have a curve right there. And they're close together. And for an outer corner like that, that's fine. So we can do that. All right, so for the inner corner, we're going to need to do something different. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut up to here, like so, cut over, and then cut right there. Okay, so we stop there. Now, you know that here we have like these 3 points, right? We only have a single point here. So what we're going to do is we're going to surround this with extra points, and we'll put a point going right there. You can hold shift to get it in the middle, hit enter. And then if we go into the edges, we can go control delete and get rid of that. And now we actually have kind of the shape that we're looking for. We can move this out here like this. You can actually snap it if you want to hold V. You can move it over these verts like so, and then it's perfect. Looks like I have an extra piece of geometry. I accidentally duplicated one of these, so let me delete that. There we go. Okay, so now we've got that, but then you can see this is an n-gon right here. So we don't want to leave any n-gons. We can grab that vert. You can cut it, you can connect it, hit enter, and that works. All right, so now we've got like this nice little turn. We don't have anything holding these corners here, so we'd want to go ahead and just drop in an edge there, an edge there. So this is going to be what we're going to see a lot. So you're going to see like on outer corners, you're going to see kind of this like termination configuration. And then on the inner corners, we're going to see a lot of this like turning where we're putting in points here to hold this. If you want to clean this up, and this isn't 100% necessary, but you can snap it to there. Grab that and snap these to here like that. Looks a little cleaner. So why is this important? Well, when we get further along, if you want to go ahead and add edge loops in, stuff like this, you can see that this will, the edge loops will go, it doesn't turn this corner because that's termination, but it'll go around these little sidewalk corners.